stretching across the Greenwich Peninsula like a giant space-age spacecraft. The O2 Arena is one of London's most recognisable modern landmarks. But behind its iconic yellow masts and sweeping white canopy lies a story of ambition, controversy, and transformation. Originally known as the Millennium Dome, this vast structure was commissioned by the UK government in the late 1990s. The goal? To create a spectacular centerpiece for the Millennium Experience, a major exhibition celebrating the turn of the year 2000. Architect Sir Richard Rogers designed the dome to be futuristic and symbolic. Measuring 365 meters in diameter, 1 meter for every day of the year, it also featured 12 towering yellow masts representing the months and the hours on a clock. Time itself was embedded in its structure. But despite its ambition, the Millennium Dome's opening was plagued with issues. Political debates, spiraling costs, reportedly nearly £800 million, and a lack of clarity about its purpose led to widespread criticism. Many viewed it as a failed vanity project. The exhibition opened on New Year's Eve 1999, attended by the Queen and Prime Minister Tony Blair. Inside, visitors explored futuristic zones themed around faith, learning, work, and the human body. But the public response was lukewarm, and by the end of 2000, the dome closed its doors. For years, the structure sat unused, a ghostly reminder of a costly project. But in 2005, a new vision emerged. The dome would be transformed into a world-class venue, a place for concerts, sports, cinema, and nightlife. Rebranded as the O2, it reopened in 2007 under the ownership of Anschutz Entertainment Group. The transformation was nothing short of remarkable. What had once been called a white elephant was now one of the busiest indoor arenas in the world. Today, the O2 hosts over 200 events a year, welcoming millions of fans to see global icons like Adele, the Rolling Stones, Beyoncé, and Ed Sheeran. It's also been home to the ATP tennis finals, World Championship boxing, comedy giants, and esports events. Visitors can even climb the roof with Up at the O2, offering a panoramic view of London's skyline, a literal high point in this landmark's journey from ridicule to respect. The O2 Arena is more than just an entertainment complex. It's a story of redemption. A structure once criticized, now celebrated. It mirrors London's own story, a city unafraid to reinvent itself, to build on its past while looking boldly toward the future. So next time you see the O2, remember, it's not just a concert venue, it's a monument to change, a piece of modern history. a dome that weathered doubt and emerged as one of London's most iconic landmarks.